Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 on your mobile phone. So we are going to start, just open your Google Play and look for Windows 11. As you can see here, just choose the second one that they call Computer Launcher 2. Open it, install it. Installing. It over. Now you can open it. It's starting. Yes, wait. Here you go. This is our desktop. So this is how you download and install Windows 11 on your mobile phone. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon for another lovely video. Ciao.